Hello and welcome to this new video tutorial brought to you by Hdesigntutorials.com. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to do high-quality background removal and how to deal with tricky details in the image like a transparent dress or hair using the cool features available in Aiarty Image Matting software. So let's go ahead and discover this great tool. By default, this is how it looks like the interface of Aiarty Image Matting when you launch it for the first time. Here on the right side, there is the hardware selection menu, and it's usually defined automatically after a hardware check that Aiarty Image Matting performs when you run it for the first time. And here in front of the AI model, there are 4 AI models for different image types that can be downloaded and used for background removal. If you want to know what the difference is between these 4 AI models, then you can simply click this icon here to read more details about each model and for what type of images it can be deployed. And in this tutorial, I'll only use the first model, which is Alpha Standard version 2, which does a good job in removing the background from nearly any type of image. We can easily import an image by clicking on this icon here, or by clicking this one here, or simply by dragging any photo from outside and dropping it inside the software. From the right side, there are 3 tabs available, and if we expand the first tab, which is the Edit tab, we will find the AI Enhance feature that comes with 3 fantastic AI models to upscale and enhance low-quality images. So let's click on Enhance Image to check the result. And as you can see, it can de-blur and recover the details in the image perfectly. To facilitate image editing, there are also the rotate and the flip features just in case you need them. Now we can simply select the Alpha Standard model and then click on Start button to remove the background, but before that, let's discover the refinement options available. The first option is Smooth Processing, and when checked, it makes the result smoother. The second refinement option is Outline Emphasis, and it's very important when dealing with tricky details like hair and fur edges, because when activated, it reduces the color information that was in the original background and gives more focus on the outlines. The third option is Balance Brightness, and what it does is adjusting the brightness balance when dealing with low contrast images. And the last option is Invert Alpha Mask, and it can be used to invert the alpha channel. And when dealing with hair and complex objects, it's always better to activate Smooth Processing and Outline Emphasis. Now let's click on Start to remove the background. And as you can see, Aiarty Image Matting is giving us a high-quality result only by a simple click. Here under Effects, we can click on Background to change and import a background image, or we can simply change the background color. So, for example, if we change the color of the background into a darker color than the original one, we will start seeing brighter spots in the edges. And to fix that, we can use the Luma curve available in Aiarty Image Matting to hide those brighter details that remains from the original background. Also, we can use the Eraser tool to clean up and erase any imperfections in the image to get a perfect blending between the subject and the new background color. There's also the feather effect, which can be used to do the same thing. and it comes with 2 adjustment parameters to tweak the edges until perfection. We can also combine both the feather effect and the luma curve to get the best result possible. There's also the blur effect to automatically blur the background after processing, the black and white effect, and the pixelation effect. And the good thing is that all of these effects can be combined together at the same time, giving us more options to customize the background. Now let's add another image that contains multiple objects. And by default, if we just remove the background now, Aiarty Image Matting will only keep the subjects or the objects that are in focus and then remove everything else that is out of focus. But in case, for example, we want to keep only the kid and the dog in the image and remove the ball, then there's the AI Detect feature available in the Area Select tab. And if we click on Start, AI Detect will intelligently detect the objects or the subjects in the image and will tell us that there's a human, an animal, plants, a human face, and sports products. And if we remove the background, everything will be removed except the human, which is the kid in the image. There's also the manual area selection to manually select a specific object, but it doesn't work in case we want to select only the kid and the dog, and there's another object in the foreground that we don't want to include in our selection, which is the ball. And that's when the AI object detection feature comes in handy and can save us time when dealing with multiple objects without passing by advanced photo editing softwares. Now let me show you how to deal with transparent dress in Aiarty Image Matting. Let's first click on Start to remove the background. And now, as you can see, sometimes the AI can't adjust the transparency of some elements by itself. So to fix that, first let's use the luma curve to bring back the lost details a little bit. Then for the lost transparent dress areas that needs more fill, we can use the brush tool to decrease the transparency as shown. Very good, now we can turn back the luma curve to its default state to check the result. And yes, now the transparency of the dress is perfect. There's also some lost details on the hand, so I will increase the alpha parameter of the brush tool all the way up to fully bring back the lost details of the hand as shown. Now, for areas that need more transparency, we can use the eraser tool to increase their transparency easily as shown. Let's also change the background to another bigger grid to check the results clearly. And as you can see, we had a great result without any advanced photo editing softwares or complicated parameters, and with only a few clicks in Aiarty Image Matting, we did a fantastic job. Now finally, to export the image, let's go to the export settings. And here there are 3 formats available: PNG 8 bits, PNG 16 bits, and JPEG. And so, to export a transparent image, we should select PNG format. And then we can set the level to 9. And then we can click on Single Export to export only this image, or we can also click on Batch Export to remove the background and export all the added images at once with zero quality lose. And this is also a great feature that is available in Aiarty Image Matting. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed watching this video tutorial. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to check the links in the description to download a free trial to test the software. And if you like the video, then please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.